Hello and welcome to DriveSpark. This is Bharadwaj and that is the Tata Yodha 2.0 and we are driving this pickup today, and Tata has recently launched this pickup and it is priced at around 10 lakh for the top end variant, and we are going to tell you everything you need to know about this utilitarian pickup truck from Tata Motors. Let's get started. So starting off with the Yodha pickup 2.0, I want to tell few things at the start. This is available in 29 different configurations. I mean, like, you have a truck as per your requirement for every requirement, I believe, for the first mile commuting, because this is available in 4 different payloads. This is available in 2 different cab models. You have the single cab model right here, but you also get a crew cab with 5 people allowed to sit, and also you get different suspension as well. Right now here this is fitted with a leaf suspension. However, this vehicle is also available with the independent suspension as well, and you can opt for it. The independent suspension with the crew cab model and 4x4 and 4x4 is the top end model of the Yodha pickup truck. Now that is all about the variants that are available on the Yodha. Now let's go with the design. So what you see here, Yodha was already available from Tata's portfolio, but Tata has made it a little different. They have given it a slight facelift to look very premium. You can see that whatever the changes that have been made, including the chrome bar right here, and also the hood line, and even the clear lens headlamps right here, everything is halogen, nothing is LED on this car. And also you get a reflector right here and also a reflector tape right here. This is mandated by the government. And whatever you see right here, right, even this panel and this one and the chrome bar and the panel that runs across the wheel arch, this is fiber, but everything else what you see on this car is metal. Even the bumper is metal, and also even the skid plate. So skid plate also runs a little far back to protect the engine right there, and you can also spot the anti-roll bar that is present there and the leaf spring that is present there. So this is the 4x2 configuration fitted with the leaf springs, and it is having a payload capacity of 2 ton right there. I will show you the bed how it looks, but this is the front end of the Yodha. Certainly looks very muscular and very good. And you also get fair wheel arches when it comes to the side profile, and you can spot the 16-inch steel wheels right here. And there is where you can see the chassis very exposed, and you know, you also get a side step for easy ingress and egress, and you also get a bar right here for to help you load, and also this for safety as well. And you can see the chassis running down completely here, and this has had several coatings to help protect the longevity of it. And also you can see a bulb right there for the 4x2 differential that is there. So this is a 4x2 model, but it is rear wheel drive as standard. On the 4x4 model, you will get also a front wheel drive with a proper 4x4 ratio gearbox. And speaking about the side profile, let us come to the bed right here that you see, and this bed is having a dimension of 8.67 feet in length, and which makes it one of the widest in the segment. And also this has a ground clearance of 210 mm as well. And let me speak about other dimensions that are present on the car. Now this has a overall length of 5350 mm and a gross vehicle weight of 3840 kgs, which out of which the curb weight is 1840 kgs and the payload capacity is 2000 kgs as I mentioned earlier. So this what you see right here, this has been loaded to 2000 kgs because as and when we drive this, yes, we are driving this, Tata wants us to see the real world scenario capacity where the truck is loaded completely, and see how the truck performs in various obstacle courses that we have driven already. I will tell you later in the video how this pickup was to drive. Now let's get back to what is there on the rear profile. On the rear you get a tailgate which just drops down like this and reveals a flatbed that is there right there, and it has been fully loaded as I mentioned. And also let me just show you another safety feature that is there on this car, that is the parking sensors that you see right here. This is a government mandated parking sensors that's supposed to be provided by the manufacturer. And you see the tail lamp, these are also halogen units. There is nothing of LED of any sort here. Moving to the cabin, once you step inside the cabin, you can get you can see the footrest right here. It's an anti-skid footrest, so you can easily get in and out. And also you have a parking brake right here and not in the center of the seat. That is because this seat is supposed to be used as a flatbed, where driver can sleep in case if they want to rest, and this is on a runner, so they can adjust it as per their preference. And this steering, what you see here, is a tilt adjustable. There is no telescopic adjustment right here, and you get a semi-digital instrument cluster. The MID unit in the center displays several information like fuel efficiency and your fuel meter, and also the gear position indicator as well. And you get stocks right here, very basic interiors, not much going on right here. You get a full HVAC unit, heater, ventilation and AC, and also you get to see this soft seats. Now I'll tell you how these seats are while I'm telling you how this car is to drive. But you get a glove box right there, and you get cup holders inside it. There are 2 cup holders inside it if you want to store it. But however, there is a huge bottle holder right there in the co-passenger seat, and the windows are traditional wind down windows. So this is an eco switch right here, and also you get something called as battery switch right here. Now this is there if you're storing the vehicle for a long time and you're not operating it, you can cut off the battery connection to it. So this will ensure the longevity of the battery as well. And you can also see a USB port provided right here if you want to charge your devices, and that is the climate control unit right there. You also get a 2-DIN system, I guess. There is a provision if you want as a aftermarket accessory as well. Now the window here also slides back. You can have a quick access window right here if you need. So that is the interiors of how the Yodha 2.0 is. Now it is time to tell you how this car drives. Before that, I want to also tell you that look at the rear view mirrors. This is long and this is wide, and this is needed because of the vehicle's length right here. So this is a huge advantage for drivers in terms of driving this pickup. Now it is time to tell you how this car drives, and we have taken this car with a full load. It is loaded to 2 tons, a little about 2 tons as well, and it was given with a leaf spring, that's the same model that you see here, with the rear wheel drive configuration, also the same model that you see here. And we were asked to tackle certain obstacles that were there, including a rock bed, including tight turns, and also incline and a decline, and along with water wading as well. And we were mighty impressed with how Yodha performed in all those scenarios. I know this is not an ideal scenario, but these are some things that you will have to tackle eventually when the going gets bad. On the flat roads, it is definitely well balanced. You have a lot of composure with that. Even when it was tackling inclines and declines and also water wading, it was very composed as well. This engine, what you see right here, it can perform very well. This is a 2.2 liter Dicor engine and a diesel engine. Of course, it produces 100 PS of power and 250 Newton meters of torque. It comes with 5-speed manual transmission. As you already know, it is also offered in 4x2 or 4x4 configuration as well. Now, these are our initial impressions about the Tata Yodha and also how does it drive. Now this is not a full-fledged review where we take it out on the streets and how it performs on a daily scenario. However, we will come back with another video stating just that. For now, what did you think about the Tata Yodha 2.0? Mention them in the comments below. Also like and share this video and do subscribe to DriveSpark if you haven't done it already. This is Badwat signing off. Stay safe and drive safe.